Hello everyone. Now myself Mr. Valmik Tanpure and this is my channel Education Tech TVR. Now today we are going to study the exercise 22B. Now in this exercise we are going to study what are the bar graph and what are the pie graph. Okay. So this is the exercise. You can pause the video and you can take the screenshot of this exercise. Now this is the question numbers first and second. Now these are the next questions. So we will study the next questions. Exercise. See, this is exercise 22. Exercise 22B. Now first question is given, 100 students from the certain locality are different modes of the traveling to school as given below. So we have to draw the bar graph. We have to draw the bar graph. So we have to given the modes. Okay. Question 1 answer. So we have to given for bus, car, rickshaw, bicycle and walk. So I will take the first question in detail. So by first mode 32, then 16, 24, 20 and 8. To draw the bar graph you have to use the graph paper. Okay, you have to draw the graph paper. I will upload the PDF or image of the drawn bar graph. So see, now first you have to understand that the vertical axis, okay, the vertical axis, okay, this axis you have to draw with the help of scale and pencil. Okay, the vertical axis which is known as the y axis, this is called as the y axis, and the horizontal axis is known as the x axis, which we have studied in previous classes. X axis, here y dash you have to write, you know that, here x dash, and see these coordinates are the, here you have to write the 0. Then you have to take the proper scale. So here 32, 16, 24, 20 and 8, these are in the multiple of, okay, so these are in the multiple of 8. Okay, 8 or 4, you can take the scale as a 4 or you can take the scale as a 8 also. So I am taking the scale as a 8. 8, 16, 24, 32 and then 40. 32 then 40. Otherwise you can take the scale of 4 also. Then what will come? 4, 8. Okay, so anyone you can take. Then you have to draw the graph for the bus, which is, and whenever you are drawing the bar, vertical bar, at that time distance between the each bar it should be the same. So I am drawing the graph for the bus, which will be the 32. Okay, so here which will be the 32. Okay, this is for, you have to write here 32. You can write inside bus, then second one, or down also you can write here mode of vehicle. Then second one, suppose this is 1 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter, this is also you have to take the 1 centimeter. Then second one is 16, so you draw for the 16 for the next mode of vehicles. Okay, which will be the auto rickshaw. You can write like that also. I am writing R for rickshaw, so which will be the 16. Next one, bicycle, which will be the 20. So 16 and 24. So middle of that, whenever you have the graph paper, so you can show this with the help of graph paper. So here 20, this is for the bicycle, and then last one is for the walk. By walk, how many students are there? Only 8 students are there. So here 8 students by walk. Okay, now so like that you have to draw the bar graph, but you have to write down the scale here. Scale, what you will write? On y axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. How much you have taken? 0 to 8, that means 8. Okay, so 8, what are there? 8 students, 8 students. Okay, so this scale we have taken, and if you have taken this distance to 2 centimeters, so you will write here 2 centimeter is equal to 8 students, whatever scale you have taken. Okay, so scale is flexible. Got it now? Now next one, we will see the question number third question. Okay, so third question we will see. Question 3. What is the question 3? Question number 3. Answer. Question number 3 is given. The percentage of the marks obtained in the different subjects you have to given by the Ashok Kumar in one examination are given below. So you have to draw the bar graph to represent it. You have to draw the bar graph, and they have given for the English, Hindi, maths, then science and social science, that means SST. So the marks have to given 85, 60, 85, 60, 35, 50, 70. First draw the y-axis. First you have to draw the y-axis. This is y-axis. Okay, I have drawn here y-axis. Then horizontal axis is known as x-axis. Okay, x-axis, here x dash, here y dash. Then here 0. Then take a scale. So you can take the scale as a 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. Whenever you are drawing the graph, you have to use the graph paper. Okay, I will upload. Okay, so I don't have the graph paper, so I am solving on the rough paper. So but here you have to use the graph paper. Okay, then see here, first you have to show the English marks. English marks are how much? 85. So you find out here 60, 70, 80 and 90, in between the 80 and 90 at the middle. So 85 marks are there. So you can show like that. Here 85. So 85 marks. Then this is for the English. This is for English. Then next one. Okay, next one, which is how much? 60. So show here 60. which is for the Hindi. I'm writing HI or Hindi. Then maths 35, in between the 40 and 30. So this is 35. These for the maths. Okay, MATHS. So 35. Then science, for science, which is 50, 50. And see, these each distance should be the equal. Okay, then SST 70, for SST which will be the 70. So whenever you are drawing on the graph paper, so you will get the equal distances. Okay, 70. This is for SST, this is for science. So like, and you can write down this subject here also. Okay, otherwise inside also you can color it, you can decorate it. Okay, like most important thing, you have to write here scale on y-axis. 1 centimeter is equal to how much we have taken? Sorry, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 marks. How much marks? 10 marks. This is our scale. Okay.